Hey guys, Rob from myppctraining.com, and in today's video we're going to walk you through 4 different strategies that are used to optimize your AdWords campaign. It doesn't matter what niche it's in, and we're going to teach you how to optimize it to get more clicks, impressions, leads, and also increase the lead quality. Because if the leads are not quality and they're just junk and you're wasting your money, then you're not going to run AdWords, and it's a lose-lose for everybody. Okay, so let's get right to it. All right, so in this example, we're going to be using our actual our company AdWords account, and the campaign we're going to be using is called White Label PPC. Again, these optimization strategies, it does not matter what niche you're in. They are exactly the same across any niche, okay? But we're going to use this campaign because this campaign actually has some data, and we ran it for a little bit. So we're going to do January 1st to March 15th. Now, when you are doing your optimizations, you should be doing what we're about to show you right now on a 7-day basis, every 7 days or 14 days minimum. At least that's my recommendation. You can do it twice a week. It really is your call, depending on how much money you're spending. The more money you're spending, the more I would optimize twice a week. If you're spending over $3,000 a month, $4,000 a month, I would optimize twice a week. Anything below that once a week is fine. Okay, so we're gonna go into our campaign. So you're logged into your AdWords account. You're gonna come down here and choose the campaign that you want to work on. So we're going to do our white label campaign. We're going to open that up. You'll see your home page here. And very simply, we're going to go through the data once we set the date range here that you want to optimize. So choose that. Then we should see your home screen here. And the first thing we're going to do is go into devices. And we're going to see what devices were driving conversions and what kind and all that good stuff. So on this example, we turned mobile phone traffic off because the site we're sending to is just not that great on mobile. So we're only running traffic from desktop computers and tablets. You can see here we bid adjusted a little bit ago. So we're getting leads. Okay, so look at this. 1 click, 2 leads, so it fired twice. So that's an accident. So we don't want to touch the bid for this. Now, this we got 18 clicks, 227 impressions on desktop computers. Average cost per click, $31. 6 leads, $94 a lead, 33% conversion rate. Average position, 2.4. So we can do a little bit better on the average position, knock it down closer to 2. So what I'm going to do is just bump this bid up. This is optimization strategy number 1, device bids. So now we're telling Google, hey, we want to jack up our bid on desktop computer traffic because it's converting better for us. So we want more of that traffic. So we're just going to bump it by 5%. And I recommend you always bump in 5% increments or decrease in 5% increments too. So that's it for this because we don't have enough data here. There's just not enough traffic. So that's tactic number 1. Number 2, we're going to go into ad text. So what we're going to do is go to the ad group level. We're going to go to ads. And here's all our ads. You sort by clicks. I've already done that. So you can see our click-through rates. Anything below 2.5, you're going to want to drop the ad and create a new one. As you can see, our ads are really good, so we're not really messing around with that too much. So basically what we're going to do, optimization strategy number 2 is you're going to go into your ad text here, and you're going to optimize the ads that are not converting or are just shitty. So I guess the best way to do it really is just go into ad group level. Sort by clicks, so we can see. I mean, obviously the campaign doesn't have that much data. 17 clicks, so it's kind of hard to optimize off 17 clicks. Usually want 100 or more, but we're going to do what we can just for example's sake here. So this is our best ad group: 4 leads, 5 clicks. That's an insane conversion rate. So we'll go in there and check out the ads and see if we need to optimize anything. So we're in that ad group. You can see down here, tells you what ad group you're in. White Label PPC agency. We're going to go into the ads in this ad group. You can see we got 4 ads running, and all the traffic only went to 1 ad, so we can't really optimize anything for this. So we have to go back out, go back to ad groups. Let's try this one, White Label PPC. Remember, you can tell that's where we are, which ad group. Go into ads, and we got 3 ads running here. And you can tell I've already optimized this. So this ad wasn't bringing really any heat, nothing, so I just paused it and I created a new one. See if we can do a little bit better. Now, let's assume you have a bunch of traffic here and you have 50 clicks, 50 clicks and 10 clicks or whatever. You're basically going to look at which ad has the lowest CTR and which ad has the lowest conversion rate. Conversion rate should always trump CTR, okay? So if you have, say you have an ad that has an 18% conversion rate, if it has a really, or 18% click-through rate, if it has a really shitty conversion rate, like 2%, and another ad's converting at 25%, it doesn't matter. Pause the low converting ad always, okay? Click-through rate you can always work on. Sometimes ads just work, and it's just the way it is. So that's what you got to do with your ad text. I'm sorry I don't have any good examples in here of optimizing them. Let me keep looking though. Let's try this one. Just not enough data. Nope. Same here. Well, now I got all the clicks. So what you're looking at is a fully optimized campaign, which is why it's difficult for me to actually do it with you. But I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. So basically, you're going to come into each ad group, and you're going to go through your ads, and the lowest converting ads, you're going to just cut them. You're going to pause them, and then you're going to create a new ad in its place to run against it. Okay? It's really simple. So that's all you're going to do. Next thing we're going to do is keyword bids. So let's go into keywords. And here you can see we're doing manual CPC bidding. So what we're going to do is sort by clicks. And any keywords that are doing really well, you want to bid up a little more. And the ones that are doing really shitty, you want to bid down. So we can tell this one here, I already did this, you can tell. I bumped it from 39 to 40. Same here. We actually put this one down a little bit. So we're going to put that up because that's doing really well. Let's just put it at 40. And here's a great example. We got one that just has 3 clicks, 9 impressions, great click-through rate, but 0 leads. Obviously, you don't want to pause a keyword based off of 3 clicks. That's why I still have it running. But say this was 13 clicks or 10 clicks, I would pause it. Just cut it loose. It's a waste of money. That's $98 we spent for no return. So imagine if that was 10, that was 10 clicks. So it's a good chunk of change that you spent. So that's basically what you're going to do is you're going to come through once a week. You're going to do your keywords like this with your bids. And the next one we're going to go into is adding search term keywords. So when you're under the keyword column, if you come up here, you're going to have your negative keywords and your search terms. Now, search terms, all they are is the actual raw term that was typed into Google by the searcher. Okay, that's what they're showing you here. So sometimes you can see we added some that were converting that we weren't previously targeting. So how to add them? Because sometimes you're not bidding on these; they're coming from different type matched keywords. So Google will show your ad for something that's very similar to what you're bidding on, what keyword you're going after. So to add them, you just click here, add as keyword. You can have an option to put a URL in here or not, or a max CPC, but we're not going to, there's no reason to do that. So just skip over that, and you would just hit save. We've already added them. So that's how you add keywords that are converting for you that you're not currently bidding on. All right, so that's what you always want to do. That you want to come through your search terms. You want to add keywords that are converting that you aren't currently bidding on. It's just found gold, man. It really is. I mean, you got to come through here and do this stuff. So here's another one. Oh wait, this is software, so that's not a good one. We don't want that. We want to negative that out. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the word software first. We're going to go to negative keywords, and I'm pretty sure I already did this, but we're going to add it as a negative keyword at the campaign level. You have 2 options here. You're going to phrase match at the campaign level, because phrase match means we don't want to show our ads for any type of keyword typed into Google that has the word software in it. All right? And we're going to save that. Okay, we're going to go back over to our search terms report. Now we're going to come down to software, and we're simply just going to negative this keyword out. So you have up here add as keyword or add as negative keyword. So add as negative keyword, campaign level, and we do an exact match negative because we already did the phrase match software, and we cut it loose. It'll tell you right here excluded. All right. So how to be a PPC reseller, blah, blah, blah. The rest of these are pretty good. They're pretty on target. Like I said, we don't have enough data right here to really dig in. I mean, you should have like dozens and dozens and dozens of these to go through, and that's how you're going to optimize. But just keep in mind, you're going to add your winners, you're going to cut your losers, okay? So that's really it for that. We went through device, we went through keywords, keyword bids, and ad text. Just doing these 4 alone, I'm telling you, you're going to save so much money. You're going to drop the dead weight every single week, and every week your campaign is going to grow and get more optimized. It's just really important that you stay on target, and you have to do this every week. You really do. And if you're spending a lot of money, like I said, 3,000-4,000 or more, you have to do this twice a week, because otherwise Google's going to show your ads for just tons of irrelevant shit, and they're going to waste your money. And trust me, they want to do it. They want to monetize all their garbage keywords, and if you're running broad match keywords and stuff like that in your ad groups, which we're not, and I'll show you in a minute. So you're only running, oh, we are running one here. That should not be that. Probably for one of our example videos. So what we're going to do is take that broad match, and you want to turn it into modified broad match. So basically the difference is, if we just had broad match and it said white label PPC for agencies, Google can interpret that as a million different things that are not even related to what it is. It could be any type of, it could be SEO for agencies. It could be, you know what I mean? It could be any kind of online marketing for agencies, free guide for PPC agency. It could be a million different things. So when you modify broad, you basically put a plus in front of each word in the keyword. Now you're telling Google, I want to show for this keyword, but every word in this keyword has to be included in the search, or don't show my ad. So I don't know why that was spent from another example video. We were doing broad match. So that's modified broad match, and we have phrase match, and we have exact match. And these are the only 3 match types you want to use when running your AdWords campaigns. I have another video, either out or I'm about to drop it, I don't remember, about keyword match types. So just make sure you check our channel out for that, and subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot more videos with covering keywords and keyword match types and how they all work. So as always, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up below. Check out the description links. We have some really cool stuff in there, including a link to our Facebook and a free ebook we have where we cover all these tactics. You can download it and use it as a reference point, as a guide every week when you do optimizations. Really cool stuff. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next group. Or, I'm sorry, the next video, or in the Facebook group. Hopefully the Facebook group. All right, guys.